In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a user ID in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's get started. Copying a user ID in Slack is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step. This can be particularly handy if you need to share someone's profile for integrations or troubleshooting purposes. So grab your device, and let's hop right into it. First, we need to open the user's profile. To do this, locate the name or profile picture of the person whose ID you need. If it's your own user ID you're looking to copy, you can simply click on your name in the bottom left corner of the Slack interface. Either way, once you've found the right name or profile picture, go ahead and give it a click. This action will bring up their profile on the right side of your screen. Once you have the profile pane open, take a look for the three dots icon, often referred to as the More icon. You'll find this just a little bit further down in the profile view. Click on those three vertical dots, and this will open up a drop-down menu full of options. Now, we want to find the Copy Member ID option from the drop-down menu. You might need to scroll down a little to see it, but it should be clearly listed there. Once you see it, go ahead and click on it. After you do this, the unique user ID is now saved to your clipboard. This means it's ready to be pasted wherever you might need it, whether that's in a document, a message, or an integration tool. And that's it. You've successfully copied a user ID in Slack. It really is as simple as that, but I know sometimes it can be easy to overlook the small details. So be sure to follow each step closely. Remember, if you're ever unsure of where the options are, just take your time exploring different menus. Slack has a user-friendly layout, but it can be different depending on how your team has set things up. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. I'm here to help you out. Before I wrap this up, let me remind you that learning how to navigate platforms like Slack can greatly enhance your productivity and communication. So don't hesitate to keep practicing these steps. You'll be copying user IDs like a pro in no time. Now, thank you for watching today's video on how to copy a user ID in Slack. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that like button so that I can keep sharing useful tips and tricks with you. That's all for today.